Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change our virtual background on Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application and I'm going to change my virtual background. If we want to change our background, we can go to the video right here. Click on this little arrow and here we have some options. We have to select the choose virtual background right here. Okay. And if you want to add a new image to your Zoom meeting background, you just need to click on this plus button. Here I have some images I can use for my virtual background, and I'm just going to add more image. I'm going to add image from my computer. Wait, guys. For example, I'm going to add this one. Just click on the image that you want to add, then we can click on open, and now as you can see that my background has been changed, and I'm going to show you the final result. I'm going to start my video and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can change virtual background on the Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.